mugaru na miaka ya hau kabere riria kigeranio giki kirarekagiririo mathomo magithiaga na mbere maumirira mari tarire marekereirio macukuru mari mahinge no na kuri uguo arutwo aciari na arutani a macukuru maria mekite wega matingihithire gikeno kiao. Cukuru wa nake wa Mangu Arutwo 497 niyo mahitukite kuingira university mari na grade ya C+ na kwambata na no arutwo 3 tu matanakinyia grade iyo.
In total tumana A plane 81 na A- 192, B+ yuma 113, B yuma 70, B- 34, C+ mugwanja na C plane 3.
Makinya manini kuma Mangu ni cukuru wa Juja Preparatory Senior School guku arutani magikunguira kuhituka gwa ciana 36.
Able to manage a mean score of 7.14, which is a positive deviation from the previous year's score.
Kaunti-ini ya Murang'a turacemania na Millicent Wangari uria urari murutwo cukuru-ini wa iretu wa Pangani no uria wigwateire grade ya A- mari na andu a nyumba yake makenete magakenereruka.
Nashukuru Mungu kwa kuwa nimeweza kupata alama nzuri katika mtihani wangu wa taifa. Ningependa kufanya engineering huko University of Nairobi.
Kaunti-ini ya Trans Nzoia cukuru wa St Anthony Kitale arutani megukunguire karethi gakongoya thutha wa arutwo othe 437 aria marekire kigeranio kiu kuhituka kuingira university.
The candidature was 437. We had 41 A planes, 148 A-, 170 B+, 69 B, and the last grade in the school is 9. Are 9 candidates with B-. All of them are proceeding to the university.
And nimepata A plane ya 83 points na my dream ni kufanya computer science.
Nashukuru sana walimu au nao walitia bidii sana, walikuwa na sisi kani kufunza, walifunza kila asubuhi hiyo saa 10 walikuwa na sisi madarasani, usiku walikuwa na sisi mpaka saa 4 huko ndio watuache.
Kaunti-ini ya Nakuru thukuru wa imwana wa Anesta uria uri gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Bahati imwana 2 Ezra Herio na Charema Mwetich na imwe cia ciana iria ciikite wega muno guku bururi-ini guku arutwo angi 17 makigia na grade ya A-. Kaunti-ini ya Nandi aciari na arutwo wa cukuru wa Kapsabet Boys matingihotire kuhitha gikeno kiao thutha wa cukuru ucio kwandikithia maumirira mega guku arutwo 296 makihituka kuingira university.
Wale wanafunzi walipata A plane kufika wakati huu tumepokea karibu wanafunzi 36. A- ilikuwa karibu 103.
Mwandiki munene wa ngwataniro ya kiama kia arutani kia NAT Collins Oyu ni atugirite ikinya ria thirikari ria kwaga kubanga cukuru no ria ciekite wega kigeranio-ini akiuga ikinya riri ni rikugiriria wici wa igeranio guku bururi-ini.
We had issues of cheating, we had issues of exams being cancelled, we had issues of teachers being interdicted simply because they wanted positions ranked well for their schools.
We've really focused so much on the outcome other than the process. When we eliminate the ranking, we reduce unnecessary competition that had become a source of unwanted means to achieve success.
Mashukuru mage mekite wega ni hamwe na Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed mwena wa gicua-ini kuri arutwo 7 manyitite grade ya A na cukuru wa nake wa Murang'a High kaunti-ini ya Murang'a uria arutwo 336 ni makinyitie grade ya C+.